My bros getting out there. I told y'all, man, say we finna shut it down, man. We finna change some shit, man. We finna show this internet finna bring people together, you did. But if you shit on us, we can shit on you too. Don't cap on bars. You gotta be 100 on this shit. I done told y'all, you gotta be 100. They gonna show up. No cap. You see that shit, Mike? You gotta be yourself.
That's a
Period.
fact.
You see people come out the woodwork say, bro, you the best. No cap, bro. I'm gonna be the best. Cause hey, that's the whole point, man. I'm gonna be different from everybody else. Cause hey, I treat my channel like I'm at Western Strava because I'm gonna show love to everybody's channel. Cause the whole point, man. Hey, I was like that. You hear me? Like, damn, I gotta sit on it. Boom, boom, boom. Let me say, hey, I just subscribed to your channel. Boom, boom, boom. So now I got a platform. I can say, hey, you pop out here and say I can just show love like that. That's much easy. So damn, now hey, it's going down. Now I got everybody spraying the love like this. You hear me, Mike? My boy AR. I said, down. I watch this shit. I'm like, damn, that's like me talking. Damn, this boy acting a fool. That's my bro. Let's go, man. That make me proud. And motherfuckers think that they influence people. Did you see that bullshit ass shit? Motherfuckers say, I influence you niggas. I'm doing what? Boy, these niggas are crazy. Bro.
I ain't see that.
Hey, you'll see the bullshit. Nigga talking about I influence you niggas. Like, what? Man, influence. I thought influence when you tell people about shit, when you break down shit, when you if you got something, you tell people where to go get shit. You don't tell them to go iPhone shit, man. If you really influence, you'll break shit down and let people know. Say, bro, I got this from such and such. This I saw this shit like, is this motherfucker in denial? Motherfucker hate to ask you any goddamn shit on this shit. You go off on the motherfucker. That motherfucker might hate influence you, all you niggas. Go check it out. I'm like, this nigga in denial like a bitch. Boy, you is retarded. You don't show love on shit. But say, check it out. This some bullshit. Boy, you already know. Nigga cloud chasing like a bitch. I said, this nigga saying some bullshit. Nigga, you influence who? You get on that bitch just smoking a baby blunt and be mad at that motherfucker. You mad at the world half the damn time. I'm like, nigga, cut this shit out. Boy, these people be on this bitch fake as fuck. Hell no. That shit pissed me off. I saw that shit. I influence all you niggas. I know you ain't talking about me. I know you ain't talking about me, nigga. Shit. Boy, this shit is crazy. Big Mike, keep up the damn thing, bro. No cap, bro. Chopper season, y'all. I told y'all, I fuck with
Chopper
motherfuckers
season,
who changing shit. You hear me? Chopper season. You hear me?
Season,
we talk out with the bros. We doing our own damn thing, bro. Y'all not understanding, man. You hear me? Motherfuckers talking about they influence. Man, Mike is influencing motherfuckers right now. He got his own slogan right now. You hear me? Chopper season. What?
man.
Get y'all shit right, man. That's what
Chopper
you call
season,
influence, niggas. You hear me? That's what you call influence. I don't understand these people, man. I don't know what they think of influence or being a crash dummy on the internet. That make you an influence on purpose. Come on, man. Mike, keep up the good damn thing, bro. No cap, man. Keep popping your shit, man. Green screening, doing your thing, because all you doing is still showing love. All these old dumbass motherfuckers out here thinking green screening is stealing people's shit. No, that is your shit still off top. Nigga just showing up because, hey, what you doing is good. Off top. Bars.
Yeah. I look at it like this. If I green screen somebody's shit and they may have less subscribers than me or more, but they might not have the ones that subscribe to me. So they gonna
you
click on
up.
they gonna see their name at the bottom of the screen. They gonna click on it, then they gonna sub. That's the way I look at it, bro.
Bang, people ain't understanding that,
That's the way
bro.
I look at
Why would that's why I try to tell people, do y'all have a commercial still when they showing you how to green screen off people's shit? So why y'all thinking that is bad? It's on YouTube. They got it up there for you to do it. That's why I be like, it's up there, man. Well, how can you be mad at it now? You want to do it, just do it and shut the hell up.
And if you don't want nobody to do your shit, put it on there.
It'll tell you just for the sound. Bars. Come on, man. Pay attention to what you're doing. You did. That's all you gotta do. Pay attention to what you're doing. If you want to act like that, you want to be uptight. But say, you're not understanding. You collabing with people. Your shit getting out there. You did. Y'all gotta think and stop being in that little shame because you ain't gonna go nowhere. You ain't. You not gonna go nowhere being in the little bubble. I'm telling you, you're gonna be sad as hell.
Go be right in the shell like a fucking turtle.
I'm like, man.